Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome back guys to another unboxing video. Yes, for 2021, babe took me shopping. Today we unboxing Cartier. So excited for this double unboxing. Yes. I've been waiting to get my hands on some more Cartier. I know I unboxed a love ring, which I wear every single day. I love this ring. I will link the video up here. If you haven't seen that video, go and watch it and then come back and watch this double unboxing. Oh, and I gotta start let me introduce myself. My name is Sydney. My channel is about luxury, unboxing videos, lifestyle. I do daily vlogs. So if you're new here, do me a favor, become a part of the family, become an official citizen. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Without further ado, let's get into this Cartier double unboxing. Alright guys, so me and babe went shopping at Cartier. You know, you gotta go and you make an appointment. You could try to make an appointment online. I was having a little hard time, but we have an essay already, so my husband just shot him a text and he set up an appointment for us online. So, and here it's just like all your receipts, your certificates for the items. So they will just come in an envelope, and then they come in like this little cover, and then you have your certificates, and it has like the date that you purchased it, and then like your item number, and it has like a seal, Cartier, and then I can show you, but I just have to cover the code on it. And this is how it comes. And today we are unboxing the Juste Clou bracelet and ring. And here's the other one. One was the bracelet, one is for the ring. So you always want to keep these like in a safe or safety deposit box, because these what help keeps the value of your jewelry. So you need these if you ever want to sell it, or you know, but these certificates keep the value of your jewelry. So you always want to keep these certificates in a very safe place. So like I put mine in a safety deposit box at my bank. So I will have to take those and drop these off. That's the receipt, so I'll put that over here. So then when you get it, you can get like came with a little traveling kit, and this is for your bracelet, which is so handy. And you just put your bracelet around it. I'll show you guys later, but I love how these little pouches, it's like velvet, I think. Super soft little pillow. And it has the 2 snaps on it. So that's your little traveling kit, which is super cute. And then another little traveling case for like for the ring, which is super cute. And it has a little snap, and you just put your little ring inside. Keep it, from getting scratched up and stuff like that when you travel and you want to, take it off. So that's that. And then in here, Cartier, this is a cleaning kit. So it comes in like a little Cartier box, and you just pull it open, and then you have like your cleaner. So it's like a cleaner for your jewelry. It comes with a little cleaner. And it's a little like a little spray bottle. It's like a perfume bottle. And then it comes with a little brush and like a cloth. And then a little booklet to tell you like how to care for your jewelry. Now, and then you can also make an appointment to get your jewelry polished, but I don't get my jewelry polished because when they polish your jewelry, you lose, like they take off a layer of the gold to get the scratches out. So I don't really like to get my polish because you lose value. The gold is being taken off. So if you get it polished, you just gotta be very careful. Don't try to get it polished like every month. I would say if you did get it polished, I would say maybe once a year or something like that. But I don't get my jewelry polished at all. I just try to keep it as clean as possible. Like I clean it myself. But I just don't like getting it polished because, like I said, I think it devalues because your jewelry, the gold is by weight, and when you take layers off, you're losing weight to your jewelry. Okay, so this is another, I got two cleaning kits. This is another cleaning kit, and it's the same thing. Just a spray, the little brush, and a little booklet. And the boxes are like super cute, decorative boxes. I'll just keep them on my desk like how I keep my Louis Vuitton small boxes on my desk. So I'll be leaving my Cartier boxes on here too. Then what else did I get? I say look me up. I got some different perfume samples. I'm not really going to go over all the samples, but I got maybe about 4 different perfume samples, and it just comes like this. You know, all perfume samples are the same. So this is Cartier Carrot. We'll just try this one. Let's smell this one. Let's try it. Oh, this smells really, really good. Oh, I like that. Let's see it big like that. So that's Cartier Carrot. I don't want to try all of them because then it'll just throw me off. So I'm gonna try that Cartier Carrot. It smells good. Okay, so I'll put that over here. And then I picked up too, just like a little catalog, and then it just have, you know, like it's the watch catalog, the collection for 2020. You know, they change them every year, but I like the Cartier watches, don't get me wrong, but I will get a Rolex before I get a Cartier watch. So, but I love the watches, so I like the little the book, and you could just look at the watches and stuff like that. There's some really cute watches, but I'm not gonna get a Cartier watch before I get a Rolex. Alright, so I'll just put this down here. So now it's time to get into the unboxing. So here it is. And it comes wrapped so pretty. Y'all know this wrapping is so, it's everything. Everything. I love this Cartier unboxing. So we're gonna unbox it. Just want to keep it nice and neat. Don't even want to open it. I love the little wax stamp on it. They put on the ends to close it up. Let's get it open. I'm only gonna open one side. Take it out. The Cartier box. Then the box just opens like so. And then slide it out. And you're going to open like this. How beautiful. So my first bracelet, I know I was saying that I wanted the love bracelet, right? So when Babe took me and said it's time for you to get, you know, a special gift, I wanted the love bracelet, but I know I wanted the Just Clou as well, and I couldn't decide. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll just get the Just Clou ring, and I'll start my stack there, because I do want to have a Cartier stack. So I do want 3 bracelets in my stack. So I was telling my husband that I wanted to do 2 rings and I want a 3 bracelet stack. So I couldn't decide when we was in there. So he was saying to me, well, babe, why don't you just start off with the small one, see how you like it, and go from there. So when I tried it on with my Louis Vuitton stack, it wasn't too powerful. When I tried on the Just Clou, the full size bracelet with my Louis Vuitton stack, I felt like it was a little overpowering. So I just went with the small Just Clou. So let's take it out and let's put it on. It's so cute. It's making you like want to put on some white gloves. So with this bracelet, it's a little different from the bigger one. The bigger one, when you close it, it goes inside like a little thing. This one kind of open, like you just like a little twist to it. It has like a little twist, and you just put it on like so. This, and then it just goes like that. But I think it fits me pretty good because I have a very petite wrist. So I think it goes very well, and it fits with my stack. So, and then this, I got a size 16 because I measured a 17 with the love ring, because I have a big my wrist bone is kind of, I guess, a little bulky. Even though I have a tiny wrist, I have a high wrist bone here. So it will, if I got the love bracelet in the 16, it will rub this bone, and they said it'll start hurting after a while. So when they say when you get the love bracelet and the Cartier, whatever size you are in the love, you size up for the Just Clou. And that's what I did. So I got this in a, no, you size down. So I'm sorry, you size down in a Just Clou. So my measurements for the love bracelet, yes, I know my measurements because I want a love bracelet. My measurements for a love bracelet is a 16, and I got the Just Clou in a 15. No, I'm wrong. What am I talking about? I'm lying. I'm a 17 in the love bracelet, and I got the Just Clou in the 16. So here it is. It's so pretty, right? I love it. So pretty. All right, and the box, the packaging is everything for me. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the ring. And this is so pretty. You don't want to mess with the package. You want to keep the package so pretty. I don't know why. You're going to throw it out anyway. And that's in that small little Cartier box, just like the big one. And it has the opening where the box slide out. just pop it open. I love that little button. And here it is. My ring. Now I can't remember what size ring that I got, but here she is. She is so pretty. So I'm definitely gonna stack it. With the nail head facing out, and then I'm just gonna wear it with my love ring. And here they are together. Super cute, not too much. And this is the small Juste Clou ring. And Juste Clou, if you don't know, it means just a nail. And I love it. It's so pretty. You guys see it? So pretty. And I think this is a the price, it's a good starter piece for your collection if you want to build a stack. Now with the love bracelet, I'm definitely gonna get the large size, well not large, the regular size instead of the small. I already been trying it on, and I want it. I'm gonna get it just the gold one, and then I want to add probably the pink gold for my third piece. So I'm definitely gonna have, I want 2 love bracelets, and then I'll have the Juste Clou with the 2 love bracelets. But I'm in love. I love it. So that is it for this Cartier unboxing. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. You can just leave it right in the comments. And I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in today to this Cartier Double unboxing. And don't forget, if you're new here and you like videos like this, luxury unboxing videos, try on hauls, and just lifestyle vlogs, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, signing off.